Hello everyone, Storm 1 here. I got a pretty good thunderstorm here. I just missed 3 lightning strikes. How about that? So we're able to get some pretty good ones on this one, I think. And it's pouring really hard now. So I'm going to have to close this garage door in a second. At least the wind ain't blowing. And by the way, there is rotation coming close this way. And I got another lightning strike. Yes. Yes. That'll be my fourth one. And I got another one. How many lightning strikes am I going to get? I just got to put it in this spot. Wow. I got to say, this is going to be a pretty good thunderstorm. Oh, well, the heavy rain, just some heavy rain just passed. Boy, it is just striking in that one spot 5 times. Jeez, man. Hey guys, if y'all don't know, I am sitting on a tailgate. So, these lightning strikes are pretty bright. Man. We got a new rain gauge to compare it to like some other thing that we got, and it's not accurate at all. Hell, are you ever reduce the rainfall total? I literally just had to point it right over there. That's where the most lightning's happening. I just caught another lightning strike. This has got to be my best luck ever, guys. It's always in between those 2 trees right there. That is where all the lightning has pretty much happened so far. That's insane. And it's really dark now. It's gotten pretty dark. It's not raining that hard over there, but it's raining hard over there. I think it's gonna pour down rain on us again. Jeez, man. So hopefully the wind's not going to be too much of a factor. I mean, it did look on velocities. The winds are gusting up to 30, so yeah. So yeah. Whoa, 2 that time. You can tell where the rain shaft is. The rain shaft. Shooter, you're going to... Hey. You're going to have to come in. Just stay back there, please. Whoa. Here, I'm gonna I'm trying to get my seating pretty comfortable. Well, I'm trying to get my seating as comfortable as possible. It's on a tailgate, but it's got some line. It's not really comfortable. This lightning is insane. Wow. Keep in mind, guys, the lightning can strike right over here. but at this point it's not really wanting to. Lightning strike can strike up to 10 miles away from a thunderstorm, so we are, you could probably talk about like 2 miles away or 1. I'm not going out there. No. I mean, this storm does have a lot of positive lightning to go along with. Golly, that lightning strike was bright. Dang, that's gonna be loud probably. It's probably close. I got 15 minutes on this, so I'm able to get a pretty good video in this. I don't see any heavy rain in the distance at this point. If I'm going to be on a tornado warning, this video is going to be a lot more interesting. I'm not going to catch a tornado in the night. Whoa. Wicked. The rotation is rain wrath. Basically what happened was, what created the rotation was a storm that congealed to another one. That's basically what happened. Apparently, that's the two storms combined and created rotation. This storm is now more stronger. When you get two storms combined into one, it gets stronger because it doubles the energy it has. And those thunderstorms are just normal thunderstorms. I've probably had winds maybe only up to 15 or 20 miles an hour, but when you get a combination of two of those that are like the same thing, well, you got winds gusting potentially 30 to 40. One of my dogs is going to be scared now. You don't like the thunder, and I know you don't, because you bark every time. You just do not like the thunder. I'd rather not be out there. Even though the rain stopped, that does not mean that the storm's not over. It's not even gotten here yet. That was just a cell that popped up in front of this one. Right now we're getting pretty close to the rain shaft, if you could not tell by some sort of tail cloud right there. It's hard to see, but I got it centered right now. Most of these storms are just happening in the night, and there is a MCS cluster of thunderstorms out far western Kentucky, but that's not where I'm at. Ooh. Gosh, wow. It's going to start to get to the point where I'm going to shut this garage door. Probably, well, I don't think about lightning, but the rain. The wind hasn't really kicked in up much. The wind is mostly calm. Okay, my dog's just running away. Get up for a second. Is it raining? Sort of. Okay, I'm off the tailgate. Dude, the lightning has just been happening in this one spot. It's pretty lucky, because usually 10 lightning, it's going to be hard to catch, but all this lightning is happening in one particular spot, which is like right in front of me. That's pure luck. I mean, you know what? That could be a shelf cloud trying to develop. I think we had a shelf cloud earlier, but it had no wind. Had no wind at all. Okay, at this point now you're not able to see lightning because it's just erupting rain. And I think I see some rain trying to come in the distance. That could be some rain. You can't see on camera, but I can see it. Wow. Most of this lightning is just a flash. It's just behind rain. By the way, this is the remains of Barry. Yep, this is remains of Barry in Kentucky. Well, the well itself is not in Kentucky. It's up in Ohio at this point, but we are still getting remains of Barry here. So, yeah. No, not this ball. Not this ball. Gunner, do not do that again. Because next time if it starts to pour down rain, I'm not going to get it. So please do not drop your good ball. And it always goes across the driveway. At this point, it's kind of boring. Ooh. I saw the lightning strike. I don't know what camera catch it, but I saw it. It was not that impressive looking though, but it's better than nothing. Yeah. At this point, the cloud's probably right over our heads now. Okay, why you? Your ball's right behind the shooter. Do not lose your ball, I swear. Here, we'll take a good quick around. Is that wind or rain out here in the distance? That's rain. That shooter, get in. Come on in. Sure. Oh! Shooter, get in. Come on. Rain's here. Oh. Push up. I saw the lightning strike over the garage. Oh, yes. Got another one. Alright, let's back up for a second. I think the wind's going to kick in, maybe. We'll keep the garage door open for now. We just got to hope the wind does not kick in that much. Okay, the winds are blowing. The winds are blowing, but it is away from the garage. It is away from the garage, so that is probably some inflow trying to come in here. Going in. So the storm's here. Alright, time to shut the garage door. Time to shut the garage door. Oh no, what's in the way? Oh no, the garage door's not working. Oh, because this thing's broken. Oh no. Crap. The garage door's not wanting to close. Because Gunner knocked this off. Oh, come on, dude. This is gonna suck. Please work. Alright guys, be right back. Alright, quick update. We got the garage door to close. Just good news. I do not know how that thing gets on. But we're doing the same thing again. Do it from the garage door. It's open. At least wind is not a big factor in this. See, it is pouring hard out here. Okay, I need to close the door. A little bit. The reflection. It is pouring hard out here. It's not windy, but it's pouring hard. Feels good after high humidity. Got a lightning strike, guys. That's another one on the list. How lucky is that? Sometimes it's hard to get lightning strikes, but the luck I'm getting is pretty good. I should be doing this on live stream. That would be awesome. Alright, seems like the heavies of the rain has passed, but the lightning is... Oh, wait. No, it ain't over yet. There's another rain shaft. How many rain shafts are there? That's going to be the second one. There's a second rain shaft back there. Like... There's a second rain shaft. That means there's a second storm behind this one. And guess what? The rain has pretty much stopped. How about that? Could be where the rotation should probably start to kick in. Like, I don't know what the rotation is at this point. Yeah, there's another rain shaft. Alright, now it's going to start pouring again. I was about to go outside, and then it started to rain hard. So, we actually get to see how much rain we get out of this. See how much rain we got today. We had a quick rain shower earlier. Okay. Alright, it's starting to rain hard again. Yeah, there's a second rain shaft. There might be, well, I don't know. There could be a second one. It's hard to tell. Whew. Getting tired. What time is it, I wonder? It's almost 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I don't know about my town, how far away got hit hard by rain earlier. I guess it's now our turn. Get some of this action. Yeah, I'll shut up for... Holy shoot. I saw a power flash too. Holy cow. Holy moly. I caught the lightning strike. There was a power flash too. Holy cow. Holy cow. That was close. That was 1 or 2 miles away. But I caught the lightning strike. There was a power flash too. Came along with it. Whew. Man, that was mean. Jeez, haven't had that. Oh, power's out. Oh, power is out. Oh no. Power's out down the road. Okay then, well, we may get our power out too. We're going to see about that. Yeah, there's a secondary rain shaft. Holy crap. Oh, the power's back on. Never mind. Shoot. Man, this storm is really messing around with its electricity around here. I don't even know you catch that, guys, but the power flickered at our house, if you didn't catch that. I highly doubt we'll see some hail, but that would be awesome, though. This is a pretty good thunderstorm, I gotta say. It's got a lot of raining. Heavy rain. I think that lightning strike hit a power line, I'll imagine, or it hit a tree and the tree landed on it. It's either one of those. Man, I don't even want to go outside. This lightning is just really dangerous. This is dangerous, man. I mean, good lord. There's so much electricity with this storm. It's crazy. And it's not even over yet either. It's still going. After, I know half of this video at this point hasn't been raining or anything, but oh man. Oh man, the air. Oh, it feels so good. After high humidity, guys, man, it feels so much better. Storm is really cooling down here. This area. Alright, I'm gonna check and make sure, see if there's another storm. If there's another rain shaft here, we're in between two storms, so that could be the rotation area. Still, you can't see it. You can tell where the rain is, it's over there. We may get hit by another one. We might. There's another pretty good lightning strike. I'm looking around outside. I wish I had secondary radar to see what's going on. I can't do it. If I had like a secondary camera, I could use this phone, a radar scope, to check for damage of winds, also the intensity of the thunderstorm and all that stuff. I had to send the video on. I don't know. Holy crap, that one lightning strike though. This is the best one this year. Oh. It's still raining. I can see it. It's still raining. And it looks like there is going to be another round of rain trying to come in. We're just on the edge of some heavy rain. You know what? Those are huge drops of rain too. Come on, storm. Give me some hail at least. Yeah, here comes some heavy rain. Wow. Those are big drops of rain. Oh, here comes another round. You can hear it, how hard it hits the ground. There's a waterfall right here. Hey, shooter, checking out. You're not getting outside. It's too dangerous out there. It really looks like it's hailing, but it's not. I wish it was. I want something larger than pea-sized hail. I do not want baseballs. That's not welcome. Maybe some nickel-sized hail or dime-sized, something like that. Something that don't really do any damage. Lightning should be on the right side of your screen at this point, which I'm not able to catch all of it. It looks like we're going to have some inflow, more inflow. You can tell by the wind direction how the rain is just going right towards the garage. That is some inflow going into the storm. So we could be in a rotation area, who knows? I don't even know if the rotation area is gone or not. We're just gonna have to see. Okay. Okay. Pouring down rain hard again. We are just getting pounded with rain, guys. Woo. It's not windy. Thank goodness, that would have been even worse. I'm gonna close this door. It is raining so hard, the rain is just coming in and making my shoes wet and stuff. Yeah, this has gotta hurt. With large raindrops coming down like really fast. Well, it actually don't hurt. I just put my hand out there. Yeah, this video's been going on for 26 minutes. This is probably the longest storm video that's going to be on my YouTube channel. Because it's basically a train of storms is all it is. I mean, it's basically two storms combined to one. Like, those shoes are wet. Yeah, that'll dry. Well, if I'd done this on a live stream, it could have been bad because since that lightning did flicker the power, it also turned off the Wi-Fi. So it could have been the live stream could not be successful. I mean, honest thank God with the solid side lightning strike. Y'all be like, oh, that happened, you know. I'm thinking about going onto the back porch, but I think it's just a bad idea. Even though the storm's gonna be off to my right, I mean the back porch should now look directly to the storm if I move to a different position. But y'all got light here to see from the garage, so y'all don't want anything to be pitch black or anything. Well, some of y'all probably want to, just to see the lightning. But I'd rather have the lightning just to see the wind and the rain, couldn't even see a hail, so. That's why you rather have light than just complete darkness. And there's a frog under my 4Runner. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I see there's someone under my 4Runner. I don't think it's a frog. Going so many topics here. Am I? It's either a bird or a frog. I don't know. Y'all are not able to see, but I can. It is going to be really hard to see. Man, it is going to be loud under that garage if I'm just going to be under there. It will not be worth it though. It's not going to be worth it because of the noise and also for a chance of death. What I mean by death is because that's all made out of metal. This happened late in the night. I would not do a YouTube video. It'll just help me sleep. I am just going so off topic. I am sorry. Why am I going so off topic on this video? I do not know why. Man, this video's been going on for half an hour. And the storm is still going. Holy cow. We're probably going to get some flash flooding issues. If it was daytime, you'll probably see right down there by that security light. Down below that is usually an area where it usually floods when we get a lot of rain. You'll be seeing like a stream flowing or a creek below that searchlight. One time, that whole area down there was just filled up. Man, we probably got 3-4 inches of rain. It was from a squall line. So, yeah, it happened in the middle of the night, so you can't see that well. The only way you can see it is that searchlight and by your headlights. Well, it's the only way back home from vacation. That was a really interesting severe thunderstorm. It was more an MCS type of storm. And it's raining hard again. Holy moly. I'm wondering how much rain we're going to get. I'll probably let you all know down in the comments to see how much rain we'll get from the rain gauge at our back. It's brand new and it should be pretty accurate. I'll let you guys know in the comments. Or I can pause it whenever the storm is. I can go back to my back porch and see how much it shows. It really depends. I've been watching this storm for an hour. Oh, here comes some headlights. Yeah. That'll be the neighbors. Alright, so this is what I might do. Since the lightning's going to be all to the right side of my screen, I may move to the back porch. So, yeah, that could be the plan. I'll be able to see a radar on my way there and see what's going on. I'm not even going to be seeing the wind, but I'll be able to see where the rain's at. So, yeah.